Good morning, guys. We just got 11 buy signals over here with the top and bottom finder, and every single one of you who took those buy signals are all in profit. Let me show this to you guys, and I'll give you a huge discount because it is Black Friday week. Let's do this. All right, guys, good morning. I'm excited to be with you on the charts today. We are just going to go over and make this a simple video. And this whole week, guys, we've been showing you and showcasing the top and bottom finder, mainly because, look, guys, we're taking our coupon codes away on Friday. We're taking them away on Friday. We'll do a little flash sale on Cyber Monday, but we literally have the biggest coupon code we've ever ran for the top and bottom finder. $300 off for a standalone coupon code that is going away. So take some time, guys, and it's $300 off of it, okay? I'll also show you how to get $400 off. So take some time today, watch this video. I think you guys are really going to enjoy this, so let's dive on in. The top and bottom finder is an indicator that's been coded for 4 years. It is the most accurate indicator in the crypto industry. We've done this many times by proving to you guys on videos the tops and bottoms that are called. We also have a scalping strategy where we're using this indicator, where we're 381% higher than the S&P 500, and we have literally been, like, I'll show this to you guys. Look at the signals over here. I'll take off the buys and sells for 1 second. We have been able to predict the last two almost exact bottoms on Ethereum over here before it moves back up. Like this is the best bottom call. That is the best bottom call. And we're actually all waiting for this next strong buy signal to come out over here because we think this actually, truthfully, could be the absolute bottom of Ethereum on the next strong buy signal, okay? In today's video, what I'm going to show you guys is we actually have more alerts over here to show you where you can turn on the buy and the sell. Not only strong buy and strong sell, but the buys and the sells, which are still insanely accurate at calling these bottoms here before it moves back up. So let me go over the 11 coins here, guys, that you just got a buy signal on, and every single one of you guys are in the profit. So Ethereum, just so you guys know the technical analysis of what's coming. Most likely we're going to see a push up on Ethereum because we just got a buy signal. We got one on Mana over here. We actually have a double buy signal over here. So Mana may actually be bottoming out here. It may have actually already bottomed out. Trend exhaustion is super low, guys. Well money flow is low. We also have these for 84% off. Literally, guys, just before the video is done, right after the video, get our Black Friday sale so you guys can snag these going into the rest of the year because we're going to keep using them. It's just save yourself the hundreds of dollars today and snag them. I promise you guys will see a huge increase in your trading. DOT got a buy signal over here as well. You guys are in profit on that. Like, look at the buy signals here. Buy before I move up, exact bottom, bottom over here, and looking at the bottom as well. It is insane, guys. So great job for those of you in DOT. Sheeb also got a buy signal over here, and we got a strong buy here, absolutely at the bottom. A buy signal at the bottom. I almost said strong buy. Buy signal there, buy signal on the exact bottom candle here, a buy signal here before the massive move back up. You're going to see transparency in this video, guys. I'm not hiding anything. Everything is transparent, and we do not change our indicator just to make it look fancy. I have never changed my indicator from a signal strength of 10. It comes like this out of the box, so don't change anything. No dinking around with crazy settings. Just load it, and this is what you guys will see. Nothing else you have to change. Not complicated. AVAX, guys, great job for all of you guys who got into AVAX. You are in the profit on this trade. Great strong buy signal before a massive move up here. Great strong buy signal at the bottom here, by the way, before a massive move up here on AVAX. Solana, you guys are also in the profit, and I know I'm going to be a broken record here, but look at the bottom call. Bottoms here, bottom there, and you guys can look at the sell signals as well. Link, guys, Link is interesting. You guys who took Link are doing pretty well on this. You guys have gotten up to a maximum of about 12.86%. At the moment, you're sitting at about 9.59%. Again, look at this ridiculous accuracy. If you guys are coming in and you're scalping the markets, or if you guys are going from buy signal to sell signal, whatever you guys are doing, these are profits you guys can be taking advantage of. Like I said in past videos, this is an indicator. I did not code this. This is 4 years in the making. Literally, guys, it has not been released to anybody in the public for 4 years because it's been coded for 4 years straight. It is the most accurate indicator in the market. Let's keep going here. Adam, guys, you guys end up getting the signal here. You are sitting in the profit. Great job. As well as Sand did get a buy signal. You are still in the profit on Sand, and then you and I also got a buy signal here, and you are sitting in profit, as you can see here. And again, great, incredible buy signals you guys are able to get with the top and bottom finder, as well as some really good sell signals up here too. So coming back over to Ethereum, I do think we could see a little bit of a push up here on the majority of the market, but I gotta be honest with you guys, I don't feel like this is gonna be a straight shot up here. I am looking for, actually, to be honest with you guys, I'm looking for the next sell signal up here on the daily time frame with the top and bottom finder to actually look to take some money out of this market and then acquire back in lower. That's what we're doing with our account over here. So we're buying in, we're selling high, and we're buying back in lower. So we're buying in, we're selling high, and we're looking to buy back in lower. Last but not least, guys, I'll do a pop-up right now so you guys can see the indicator discount. I will show you guys the Black Friday sale, all of that. But I want to show you guys this. You need to understand how to set up alerts for this because this will save you guys so much time so you're not staring at the charts all the time. So go to top and bottom finder, and then I'm just going to show this to you guys on Ethereum. Do this on whatever coin you want. I'm specifically going to show you guys buys and sells today, not strong buys or strong sells. Just know you can set it up for anything. Go to buy, go to once per bar close, and just do Ethereum, and you guys are just going to do buy. This is so stinking simple, okay? Come over here again, and then go to the top and bottom finder underneath Ethereum, and then you guys are going to just put sell. Once per bar close, do Ethereum, and then go to sell. That's it. Make sure you guys are also getting price for swell, money flow, and trend exhaustion because I've shown this to you many, many times. What you want to be doing is pairing up for extra confirmation. When you get that alert on your phone, your computer, your iPad, whatever it is, look over here. When you get a signal, if you see well, money flow low, and you see trend exhaustion low as well, these are two extra confirmations that this is an incredible time to look to get into the market because these are when the huge moves come back up, and we are watching for this specifically on Bitcoin and Ethereum on the daily time frame for the next strong buy signal because we're going to be putting in about $5,000 to $6,000 in our personal account. I will be putting into this market because I do believe that could be the absolute bottom based off how insanely accurate this is at calling the bottoms here on Bitcoin as well as Ethereum, which I've shown you guys in all the videos this week. All right, let's get you into the best part here. Let's dive into the Black Friday sale. It doesn't need to be a long video. Please take advantage of us guys this week. These coupon codes are going away on Friday, okay? Understand this. You guys want to get the bundle pack first because we will not have this bundle pack cheaper than this. Click right here, enter coupon code SAY50. You are going to get price for swell, money flow. You definitely need that. Trend exhaustion, definitely need that, as well as 7 other indicators for the bundle pack. You guys can look at the testimonials, $950 in a single day, $2,100 with the top and bottom finder here, you guys can see, and it just goes on and on and on. By the way, just so you guys know, this is just like a few testimonials we have. If you really want to go over and just get jacked, go to the actual testimonial page, and we have an insane, kind of like a ridiculous amount of testimonials, and all of these are just from people that have written in saying, your stuff is amazing, top bottom finder, anyways, here, we'll stop at a random one. I made $4,000 this morning alone, and this guy, because we actually didn't have the top and bottom finder out when this guy wrote in the testimonial. So he was using the actual trend exhaustion and price for swell, money flow. So when you guys look at the past ones, know that these are all from trend exhaustion, price for swell, money flow, and it's just insane. Made $5,000 closing shorts on your call, and now at $14,000 in all within 5 hours. Like, it is crazy, and this isn't even at the bottom. Like, it just keeps going, it keeps going, it keeps going. So guys, we have these out here to show you social proof that like this stuff really does work. So let me get back over here because I got sidetracked for a moment there. Get the bundle pack on the Black Friday sale with the coupon code. You're going to get all 9 indicators, and you're going to get the source codes. With the source codes, you are going to get a 53% coupon code off the top and bottom finder. It's with the source codes at checkout. Don't need to email us in. It's just going to be given to you automatically after you check out with the source codes. Open up that PDF. It's called Surprise Gift. Just so you guys know, it's called Surprise Gift. Open it up. That coupon code, come over here to this link and enter it in on checkout. I'll show you how to do that in a second. It is a $400 coupon code. So do you guys see what we did there? We're honoring you guys. If you buy the bundle pack, you're going to get all of our 9 indicators, and you're going to get a $400 coupon code. It's cheaper to actually get the bundle pack with the coupon code than to buy this outright. If you want to buy it outright, guys, go ahead and get the coupon code here, Holiday300, and follow me right here. Bundle pack, get the discount code, click this, follow me over. Come over here, click to the right, watch the videos, how to set up alerts, how to, really just, I'll show you guys how this actually calculates and what the green line is, what the red line is, liquidity pools that I don't talk about much on YouTube here. There is so much to this indicator. Watch this YouTube video. Come over here, click I want this, and you guys just get the choice today. You can enter a coupon code for $300 off. That's Holiday300. You have that, do it right now. Or get the bundle pack, and you guys will get $400 off of this, and you'll get all of our indicators that we've ever come out with. That is what most people do because they just get the huge advantage of being able to pair it up with these other 2 indicators down here, which is exactly what we do to call all of our scalping trades out. And by the way, the last scalping trade we called is actually in profit right now, and we're currently managing the one on November 8th. And as shown in many times, guys, we are 381% higher than the S&P 500. So please take advantage of us on this Black Friday sale. We are removing our coupon codes on Friday. Please understand that. This is urgent. Make sure you guys snag this. This is the best indicator in the industry to call tops and bottoms. 5 months ago or so, we released this to people, and we have been crushing it in these markets. And you guys saw the accuracy when I went through all of these. It is crazy what you guys are going to be able to do with this. I truly believe it will be actually life-changing for many of you guys using this. And look at the testimonials. It's already been that way for many people. I love you guys. Have a good one. In the description of this video, as well as the first comment, I pinned the link over to this exact page. Get the indicators, guys. You'll get immediate access right after you check out. You don't even need us for anything. And I will see you guys in the next video. Black Friday sale is live. Take advantage of this. Enjoy the profits, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.